So we have seen earlier up to the 11th sloka in Vishnu Sahasranama. We are continuing further, we are going ahead with that, and now we are going to see the 12th sloka in Vishnu Sahasranama. The sloka reads Vasur Vasumana Satya Samatma Samhita Samaha Amoga Pundarikacho Vrishakarma Vrishakritihi Vasur Vasumana Satya Samatma Samhita Samaha Amoga Pundarikacho Vrishakarma Vrishakritihi. That is how the sloka reads. So the names there are Vasuhu. Vasuhu means the earlier version is the one who lives in every living object. So like that you can understand. So it is also can be understood like the one who is keeping everyone comfortable or the objects that add to our comfort or without which we cannot live can be called as Vasuhu. So let us refer to Bhagavad Gita chapter 10, 23rd sloka in which Krishna says, Vasunam Pavakaschasmi. Among Vasus, among Vasus means among those which support life, I am living as the warmth. Pavakaha cha asmi, or the Agni they say, but for our understanding, we can take it as the warmth without which we cannot live. So Vasuhu, you can understand the person who lives in every living thing, or the one who is the life support system. You can take it that way. Vasumanaha, Vasumanaha, Vasumanaha. Vasumanaha means the person with a good heart, or you can take it, associating with the earlier name Vasuhu, we can take it that a person with a mind which is ready to comfort everyone. Like that, you can understand. Vasuhu, Vasumanaha, Satyaha. Satya means Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Brahma. So this expression, Yutaittiriya Upanishad, you may be aware of. From that we can take it a person who is unchanging. It is written here as a person who has a shape and who is also not having a shape like that, or the person who is the absolute reality, which eternal reality, which never changes. Like that, you can understand. Now let us go to the next name, Samatma, a person who is present equally in all living things. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishtantam parameswaram. Like that, you remember this Gita sloka. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu, who is equally established in all living things, can be the meaning of Samatma. Sammitaha. So there are two versions about it. So Adi Shankara preferred to name it as Asammitaha. Asammitaha means a person who cannot be under control. So who cannot be directed, or a person who does not require any direction. Like that you can understand Asammitaha. But Parasar Bhatta prefers to call this name as Sammitaha. Sammitaha means a person who is simple, who gets directed. So he is quoting the reference to Ramayana, where Dasartha is allowed to say he is my beloved son. Similarly, Vasudeva Sutta. So Krishna or the Paramatma prefers to be called the son of Vasudeva. Like that, you can understand. You can also, later we will be seeing that the God, the divine, is getting direction from the devotees. Devotees direct him to do certain things, and he does that way. There are so many examples of such devotees with whom Bhagavan has reacted that way. So it is Sammitaha, it is also Asammitaha. Sama, Samaha. He is also unchanging. He is never change with the time. So we people, we are born, we grow, we get older and all that. Such a things is not there in his case, and this quality is reflected in the name Samaha, Amogaha, Amogaha. So very interesting name it is. The association with whom never fails. So association with whom always is capable of fetching things which we want. That is how we can understand Amoga, Amogaha. So this Amoga Mudre is a name given to Lord Ranganatha by Adi Shankara. So yeah, he is having such a gesture which makes us feel that nothing is going to fail because of our devotion to Lord Ranganatha. You can recall it as here as Amogaha. Pundari Kakshaha. Very simple. The person who has eyes similar to that of lotus. So very simple. So he is a person who is having the eyes of lotus. So it is also mentioned in by Parasara Bhatta. So Pundarika also means Paramabadam. So here is Paramabadam. So Pundarikakshaha for people who live in Vaikuntham, who are in Vaikuntham. For them, he is as important as eyes. Pundari Kakshaha. Vrishakarmaha, Vrishakritihi, Vrishakarmaha, Vrishakritihi. We can see these names together. Vrisha, earlier we have seen Vrishakapihi. Vrisha means Dharma. For the establishment of Dharma, Lord took the avatar of Varaha and established Dharma. So Vrisha means Dharma. Vrisha Karmanaha. Vrisha Kritaye Ramaha. So he will, Vrisha Karmanaha means he will be doing only such acts which are going to protect Dharma, which are going to protect the rule of the nature. Like that also you can understand. Dharma means the rule of nature, the order, nature order, all these things. For you will be acting only in such a way that protect this rule of nature. And Vrisha Kritaye, to protect it, he will be taking avatars. So earlier it is only he will be doing things which protect dharma, and in the Vrisha Kritaye Namaha, in this uh, the earlier understanding by Adi Shankara or Parasara Bhatta is to establish Dharma, he takes different avatars. Dharma Samsthapanarthaya Sambhavami Yuge Yuge can be quoted here as a reference to this name, Vrisha Kritiye Namaha. So now let us see the sloka again. Vasuhu Vasumanaha Satya Samatma Sammita Samaha Amogaha Pundarikakshaha Vrishakarmaha Vrisha Kritihi. The Namavali goes like this: Vasave Namaha, Vasu Manase Namaha Om, Satyaya Namaha Om, Samatmane Namaha Om, Asamatmane Namaha Om in case of Adi Shankara. So Samayana sorry. Asammitaya Namaha Om, Sammitaya Namaha Om, Samaya Namaha Om, Amogaya Namaha Om, Pundari Kakshaya Namaha Om, Vrisha Karmane Namaha Om, Vrisha Kritiye Namaha Om. That is Sloka 12 of Vishnu Sahasranam. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye now.